We're here at the Omni. What we're going to be doing is replacing this old generator with a brand new Gillette generator. Let's get started. We just installed this Gillette 96 kW natural gas generator. If you need service, a new generator, a reinstall, give us a call.